Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will still continue learning Korean.
Learn Korean Lesson 5 Negation 1.
For today's lesson, we will learn how to make the negative form ibnida sentences.
For example, I am a Korean. Gagawin natin I am not a Korean. Ito po yung pag-aaralan natin kung paano gagawin yung 2 sentences na yun in Korean.
Class, we will also discuss how to use the subject marker particles na i and ga. So, come on. Let's start learning.
First, let's start with some vocabulary words. Hakseng is student. Wisa is doctor. Kyongchal means policeman. Sonsengnim is teacher.
In this unit, we will find out how to make the negative form of ibnida sentences.
Ibnida is the negation of ibnida.
On our previous lesson, we learned that I am Korean is Chunun Hangeul Salam ibnida. Today, we're going to learn how to say I am not a Korean. So, uulitin lang natin yon, yung Chunun Hangeul Salam hanggang salam po. Chunun Hangeul Salam. It means I am a Korean. Yung ibnida ay para maging polite expression po, di ba? And then, para maging not, parang maging hindi siya Korean, masabi niya na I am not a Korean, we will add i. Salam i animnida. Animnida means not. Yan, ganyan po sabihin yung I am not a Korean. Chunun Hangeul Salam i animnida. Chunun means I. Hangeul Salam means Korean. And then, i, ito pong i, yan yung ating subject marker particle. I ang ginamit natin kasi yung Korean po, yung Hangeul Salam ay nagtatapos sa consonant. I is subject marker and then animnida means not. Ganyan po sabihin ng I am not a Korean. Chunun Hangeul Salam i animnida. I am not a Korean. Here are some more examples. I am not a Chinese. In Korean, Chunun Chungguk Salam i animnida. And the next one is I am not American. Chunun Miguk Salam i animnida. Now, let's go to the subject marker particle i and ga. used when the noun or the subject ends in consonant. Then ga is used when the noun or the subject ends with a vowel. For example, we want to say that I am not a doctor. Doctor in Korean is Wisa. Since the word Wisa ay nagtatapos po sa vowel, we will use ga. Shunun Wisaga Anindida. It means I am not a doctor. Here are some more example. That is not a computer. In Korean, kugotun computoga anindida. Computer is computo in Korean. Next is that person is not a student. Student in Korean is hagseng. So in Korean, that person is not a student. Kusalamun person. Hagseng I animnida. Then the last example is that is not an apple from Japan. In Korean, apple is sagwa, and Japan is ilbun. Kugotun, ilbunwi, sagwa, animnida. Ilbun is Japan. We use we. We is a possessive particle that na ginagamit po para matukoy kung sino yung nagmamayari. Pag-aaralan po natin yan sa susunod pa nating mga video. Sagwa is an apple. We use ga, subject particle, marker na ga, kasi po ang sagwa ay nagtatapos sa vowel. And then animnida means not. That is not an apple from Japan. Chogotun, ilbunwi, sagwa, ga, animnida. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!